All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Let me just check the audio here. 2 seconds. Let me just have a quick little listen. Make sure it's all loud and clear. All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Yep. Cool. Sound is good to me. Let's go on Zoom, guys. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Goldie been on some beautiful pushes down here. Very, very nice pushes, which we'll have a look at. Good job, Chris. Nice work, man. Beautiful work, man. Hey, man. What's going on, everyone? Nice night for me. Good morning, man. It's afternoon for me as well, but we still got to say good morning. Sales today, yeah. Gold's already having a beautiful push down here. Spoke about sales night Asian session. Had no bullish bias on gold today. No bullish bias on Goldie. Just kind of looking for some downside, which we are getting pretty well. We are getting very, very well. Let me just try and change this 2 seconds. We got 10 minutes. This Alex gonna close. Give me 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. What have I done? I've broken this. I've broken it. Done for the day. Just popped in to say hi. Yeah, nice work, Chris. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. Good evening, man. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. I don't know how to add it. I'm trying to change the image. There we go. Image. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. All right, there we go. Stop that moving. That was a bit annoying. Let me just move this here. There we go. Cool. Cool. All right, let's have a look here on Goldie. See what we have. Obviously, we're having this beautiful push down here, which for London, it's a little bit tough, but that's Goldie. Doesn't always have to move it. 7 to 9 a.m. London time, gold moves whenever gold wants to move. It's already having a beautiful push down here. A very, very nice push. You can see here, 30-minute had this beautiful fake out of this level, held it as resistance, and just absolutely dropping here. 80 plus takes you to come all the way back down for these lows as well. Look at the daily time frame. Yesterday you had a massive fake out closure back below this level. Today you come up for a very simple top wick and now flipping bearish. Like, look how simple this is. Holding this resistance, you're pushing down like 200 ticks here today. Absolutely massive. So you want to be seller. You want to be a seller at the resistance. Down here, just got to be a little bit cautious. That's all. Not really a lot you can really do. I'm not selling gold at support. I'm selling gold at resistance, which is where I took the sells here today. Once you had liquidity down here, grabbed the highs, broke out. Had a very nice about 34-ish. tick push. I unfortunately missed this trade. This trade was beautiful though. It's what I just spoke about to you guys on Zoom in the trade setups, just for learning purposes. Look how simple that was. You came up, you liquidated the highs, you rebroke the lows. Like, man, you could have just shorted this hourly. And you're running like 80 ticks. Like huge opportunity. Once you see this, rip these highs, re-break the lows, and you also get a 30-minute fake out, man. With our bearish bias today and zero bullish bias, at any opportunity you're selling gold. So selling gold at, what's this, 6 a.m. The 6 a.m. candle is huge, absolutely huge. And now we're just selling off, and it's very, very nice to see. But if we're not already in it, well, tough shit. You missed the entry. There's nothing you can do here. But what you're not going to do is start chasing gold down here. Am I going to start selling gold from down here? Of course not. Why would I sell gold from down there? Makes absolutely zero sense. So you just got to wait for it to find some support, pull back, and then, you know, we could potentially continue selling. I say potentially because I don't really know what's going to happen now. The sells have come in. The sells have been beautiful. And yeah, now you just got to be a little bit patient. Let me just share the top step screen. So on top step, I got about 326 of it times 4. 326 times 4. About 1,300 on top step. Very, very simple. Very, very nice. I kind of wanted I wanted to hold it for this decent push, but my entry wasn't anywhere near as good as this one. You came all the way back up, grabbed hourly highs, pulled back. Anyone who would have been buying gold would have been buying gold here. Where did their stop loss go? Just below that low. So this was also, you know, a perfect double bottom there. But this was also a nice liquidity level. Because what did you not do before this push up? You never re-grabbed the lows, which even if you look at on like a 30-minute, you got 1, 2, 3 equal lows. Man, you're shorting into them all day long, and that is a massive, massive retail trap. Probably trying to buy these highs like all the way up here. Stops down below there, trying to trade this breakout. Boom, straight back down. Massive, massive hourly wick. Look at that. Even the hourly rejected, never re-grabbed the lows. So as soon as you see this massive rejection, grabbing highs where you got 2 equal lows, easy, easy short. Easy short. But yeah, for the rest of the day, we just need to see gold to pull back and see if we can short it. But that's the sells that we've been speaking about all day. Not ideal for the guys who maybe just trade London, but that's the chance. That's trading. It's not going to be, like I said, you guys, it's not going to move every single day at 7 till 9 a.m. London time. Gold moves when gold wants to move. And in my shorts today, I literally just set alerts. Just set alerts once price started coming close to support. Alerts went off. Cool. I saw the entry, just took it, pressed sell. Made 30 plus ticks and haven't looked at the chart since. Hey, chat, what's going on, man? Welcome back, welcome back. Top step accounts are currently up about 1,860 per account. So about 7,400. Pretty decent month. Pretty decent month. Copy trading across 4 of the accounts. Goldie's still pushing here. Still pushing. Free fall. Absolute free fall. Even here again, look at this. You rejected, never really re-grabbed the lows. Lovely pullback. Boom. More sells. More sells. It's the same trade. Thanks, Aaron. Nice work, man. Good work. It's a beautiful trade. Lovely, lovely trade, man. Nice work. It's a very, very nice trade. Did you draw the mapping or you got stop loss? What do you mean, man? What do you mean? Stop loss? No, I haven't taken a loss there. If you're talking about the traders, this position, I would say that's what most retailers were trying to do. I would say most people are trying to buy there on gold, put their stops down below there. So we were shorting into where most people were trying to buy. As I was saying, shorts from here was so nice. Because most people would have been trying to buy this support, try and buy this breakout, put their stop loss just below this low, and then bam, price comes all the way down to grab it, which was very, very nice. Yeah, this is the trade that I took today. But I was just explaining the 6 a.m. sell because it was absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this daily as well. Look how simple this daily is, man. That's what I was saying. During these days, it's pretty tough. This day breaks out. You know, you look for longs on this day. I didn't take a single trade yesterday, but once this day closes bearish and actually breaks out and confirms a big fake out, it's like, man, you literally could have just shorted this top wick, big resistance level, and you made 200 ticks today. Like it's just so simple. You literally don't even have to use any of the liquidity levels, even though they help a shit ton. Literally could have seen, there's a level of support, there's a level of resistance. Okay, we've broken below it, and we've held it as resistance, so let me take sells, and I'm up 200 ticks. Or let me just short the flip of this daily, and I'm up over 90 ticks. Like, it's stupid simple. And that's how clean gold can be sometimes. That's why it's so important to understand the daily time frame for intraday trades. And the same trade, nice. First hit was the loss. Oh man, yeah. To be honest, it was very, very up until this push down here. Asia was pretty messy today. The nicest trade for me so far here today was these 6 a.m. sells. I would have happily missed my short to be short this one. This was a way nicer trade because Asia was pretty. Like to start Asia, that's why I wasn't really watching it too much. You grabbed highs, closed bearish, and then you grabbed lows, closed bullish. So after you grab the lows and close bullish, I was like, okay, well, I'm not going to really watch it. I'm just going to set an alert somewhere down here. And once my alert went off, okay, cool. Saw it, took it. But man, this would have been a beauty. I had some runners on my personal as well. But this week got my runners at break even and smashing down. Absolutely smashing down. But what you don't want to do is just all of a sudden start beating the person who's trying to revenge trade and all of a sudden start jumping alongs with no risk to reward, no plan, no analysis. Or start selling gold. You start selling gold from here, where's your stop loss? What, all the way up here? So if you want to sell gold, well, just do the exact same thing that just worked here. Look for a pullback, look for a fake out, keep selling. Is that Audi just closed with no bottom wick? Yep, bearish close with no bottom wick there on Goldie. Not really a lot you can do here, guys. I say the shorts have already come in. If you're already in the shorts, that's just a bit tough, unfortunately. A good amount of entries. It's unfortunate for people who just trade London, but like I say, it is what it is. So the Audi just closed with no bottom weight, meaning there's no real range downside. This Audi could just close doji or it can pull back. Who knows? Who knows? Have a look at something else. Gold's not going to give you anything today in London. Wow, look at this copper move. Absolutely insane. It was all back off the back of the news. I mean, the weekly is nice. We have a double top target. We set for this weekly to come down and liquidate the lows. Well, it looks like you're doing that. So you have copper to come all the way back up into these highs. Scroll back a little bit, man. I just broke down that trade, man. I just broke it all down. You could scroll back a little bit. It should let you, I think. Does it let you scroll back? I think. But yeah, copper on an absolute massive run. Massive run. And once you do start pulling back a little bit on copper, straight for the highs. Oil. Remember we spoke about oil yesterday as well, guys. We spoke about oil. We spoke about oil in this level and that weekly having no bottom wick. The weekly opened with literally zero bottom wick and pushed up. And you guys go back and watch yesterday's stream. We literally went through every single week, not every single weekly candle. We went through a load of weekly candles to show how often do we see the weekly close bullish with no bottom wick. Very, very, very rarely. Oil came up, held this massive level of resistance, and then absolutely smashed down. Came straight down for that weekly bottom wick. Look at that! What an insane sell-off. Insane sell-off. Nah, shed the analysis. Nah, we're not a signal group, man. Nah. I don't say I'm buying here, selling here. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a signal group. But do we share all the analysis? Yes, every single day. Do market calls. Yeah, 2 market calls every single day, and share it in trade setups and in discuss it through market chat as well. Guys are extremely active in there. Nasdaq continuing the massive sell-off. Look at this. Absolutely ripping lower. Huge sells. We're going to come down for some very, very nice liquidity levels. Some very, very big levels. Wouldn't really want to be, look at that. No real pullbacks on that. Just keep getting smashed down. Tiny little pullbacks, then boom. Huge sells. Everything's having some very, very, very big sell-offs other than copper. Copper's booming. Absolutely booming. Good morning, man. Good morning. Look at gold on the 4 hour here. Coming back down to major levels. Not that I'm going to buy it. Yeah, Nvidia earnings, yeah. Big earnings coming out this week, man. Big week. DAX, yeah, let's have a look at the DAX, man. Let's have a look. Got the gold this morning. TB hit. Nice work, man. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. What's the weekly been up to? Wow, look at that. Huge rip. Massive recovery after last week's sell-off. It looks pretty indecisive now, though. It looks very, very tough. It is a massive level of resistance, though. Potential big head and shoulders playing out. But after yesterday's close, would I want to be selling this? Not really. I don't think you're gonna have an easy day trade in DAX. I think DAX could be a little bit tough. Wish I can send my charts. You can send charts, man. If you just go, here you go, copy link, and then just copy the end of the code. The end of the code, and you can post that in, man. I can fire it up. New York Asia made 288 pips. Incredible, man. Amazing. Beautiful work. When you go on the little picture and you go copy link, when you go to paste it, just delete all of the tradingview.com stuff and you can just copy the code at the end, man. You can send in the screens. What are we up to on Goldie? 51% people long here on top set, 49% people short. Look at that push. 5 a.m. London time. Bam. 150 tick drop on the futures since 5:25. 150 ticks. That is huge. Yesterday you also had that massive drop on gold as well. Massive drop. Nah, stocks is just trading breakouts. Super simple. Don't even really analyze it too much. Comes into major levels, breaks out. Take it and leave it. Super simple. Like for instance, I'm watching Tesla to come into some major areas. Pretty much here where we are, to be honest, around this area. So all I simply wait for is just price to break out and then I'll get in. Very simple. Just break out, break some trend, and then boom, then I'll be in. Could even come back down to potentially fill in this gap. Some big dip buying opportunities coming on some stocks. Massive plays gearing up. Look at this, huge areas, huge. grab the lows here on gold. No, not quite. So you have some. You do have some liquidity down here on gold. People are trying to catch the bottom. Potential stop sitting below that low. But again, I'm going to consider any sort of sells on gold. Hourly's closed bearish with no bottom wick. So if I'm going to be a seller on gold, where would I be a seller, or be at the support? Very, very nice. Sometimes, yeah, you can look at the gaps, yeah. Looks like they get a lot of them get filled quite a lot. Platinum had textbook resistance through New York. Really, let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Took the same trade. Good work, man. Good job following the plan. Well done. Let's have a look at platinum. Oh my god. It's weekly. Look at that weekly. Crazy. Big push down. Yeah, honestly, I don't really know how people trade platinum. To me, this just looks like an absolute from one mess to the other. I don't know if it respects liquidity, but if it does, if this was gold, I'd be watching price to grab them highs and platinum's chop city. Yeah, it looks like it always is, to be honest. It always looks very, very choppy. Goldie potential sells maybe around this area if you guys do want a position. But again, you start shorting gold from there. You just got to understand, you know, you are selling gold at massive support. You sell gold at resistance, not support. Again, look at this. Huge level. So we said today for gold to pull back into these areas, grab some highs, and then continue pushing down. Well, from this massive zone to down here, 120 ticks. Huge. All right, give me 2 seconds, guys. Goldie on the bounce back here. You guys who are watching anything else, feel free to send over. Honestly, I'm very unlikely to take a trade today in London. You're not going to get a trade in London in the next like 2 hours at least. There's no reason to. The previous hourly closed bearish with no bottom wick, so anything can happen in this hour. Anything can happen. Only way you're going to get trade is if you see price come up and pretty much just literally do the exact same thing you did here. Massive bullish push up, huge bearish push back down, hourly liquidity grab, sorry, big push, exactly the same thing. Yeah, we're in the, oh. So wait a minute, where are you? Yeah, it's the only way you're going to get a trade. Look at this bounce of this major 4-hour support as well. And I don't have a bullish bias on gold today, so I have zero desire to start buying it either. Trade today was selling gold. Look at this. Massive, massive bounce of this support. So you're at major, major, major 4-hour support. If we just delete everything for a second. If you want to be a seller on gold, well, if we look at this from a very, very basic chart, extremely basic chart. If we want to be a seller on gold today, where do we want to be a seller? Do we want to be a seller here, or do we want to be a seller up here? Well, obviously we want to be a seller up here. So as long as price is in this middle of the range, just wait. Sales today were in Asia, and now you need to wait for price to maybe come up and grab some 4-hour highs or something like that. But what I will not do is try and sell gold at a major 4-hour level. There's no need to try and force something like that. Don't worry, relocate my office with a view like that. We don't know many times. Yeah, lifestyle climate's amazing, man. Absolutely. Absolutely. I don't know what it is, to be honest, man, but I'm going to ask my editor guy to get rid of it because I think it's a little bit annoying. It's like constantly moving. It's a bit too much going on, so I'm going to ask him to change it. It's where gold's going to. It's where Bitcoin's going to. Speaking of Bitcoin, Bitcoin did have a big sell-off as well, back down to like 85-ish, which again is a huge level. Massive level. Very nice little pullback there. Code for 20% off. There is no code, man. You should just be able to hit the link, accept cookies, and it will automatically be applied. I have no attention span. Yeah, I am going to get rid of it and slow it down a bit. It's a bit annoying. Only enter. Let me have a look, man. Let me have a look. Oh yeah, beautiful chart, man. Yeah, huge, man. Massive. Very clean chart. You got New York lows, Asia lows. Yeah, them shorts are beautiful, man. You had a bearish daily bias as well. Very nice. Very nice short, man. I like that trade, man. Really nice. Super clean. Traders Club, yes sir. Alan in the house. What's going on, man? Learned about high and low sweeps from you. Last year, it's increased my win rate by 8%. Last quarter, well done, man. That's amazing. That's awesome. Yeah, it's very key for gold. Very key. Even here, grab the highs. Beautiful sell-off. Very nice, man. If Goldie keeps pushing up here, guys, I'm probably going to call it soon. It's a beautiful sunset outside. I could be doing anything but watching gold. And not going to get, I don't think you're going to see any trades anytime soon, so you're almost just watching paint dry for the sake of it. The sells are up here. The sells aren't down here. Yeah, I know stuff. Yeah, literally. Do I trade prop firms? Yeah, I trade prop firms. Yep, I trade on Top Step. Copying across 4 accounts here on Top Step. There's another one as well. Get that one on the list. Up about 326 on the day. 326 times by 4, 1,300 US dollars. To Australian dollars, about 2 grand. Not bad. Not bad. Why's my this one's frozen right there. There we go. Was that? I swear it's frozen. There. Yep. Up 34 ticks on the day. Where's it? Playing around on my sim account. Yeah, nice work, man. Yeah, good job. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yep, if you use the link, man. Yep, it supports the streams for sure. Yeah, they're all copied across, man. They're all copied across. You can see it. 3+ leaders. So this is the main follower account, plus 3 other leading accounts. Look at Goldie with the rip back higher. Huge. I'm going to see his 30 close, guys. If I don't get anything in this 30, I'm not going to watch London today. There's no point. Could be walking Sammy on the beach. Could be doing anything other than watching gold just bounce off support and bounce off resistance and hang around in the middle of the range. You know, if you want to be, like I say, you want to be trading gold today. Well, where do you want to be trading gold? Like, you obviously want to be trading gold up here. And you want to be trading gold down here. Other than that, zero interest. And because I don't like longs today after yesterday's close, I have no desire to even really want to trade it around here. So very simply, wait for it to pull back and then you can consider some sells. Super simple. I don't think we haven't see too much on anything else either. DAX looks extremely choppy. Copper's had a massive rip yesterday, so you're going to need to see some a lot of time on copper. Nasdaq is obviously very bearish. Look at that XRP with the sell-off. Look at this, down 20% in 2 days. Great investment. Nah, nothing that affects any normal trading. Just for people who are trying to hedge it and full margin it. It's about like gold. Yeah, absolutely, man. It's a great idea. Huge. Why are you $50? I'll take that. Yes, I don't really think there's too bad to say. You're just bearish, I think. I haven't really looked. Yeah, just bearish. Coming into a big trend line. Probably squeeze down a little bit more. Would I want to be a seller on the S&P here? Nah. The seller's like back at these resistance levels, not here. Here you're bouncing with support, bouncing off resistance. No man's land. No man's land. Yeah, nah, it doesn't affect me now. It won't affect any normal trading at all, man, now. Not at all. Yeah, but yeah, continue to push higher, absolutely, I agree. You would just need to see it have some pretty decent pullbacks. Because there's nowhere to even really buy it up here with a good risk to reward. So just like an overall outlook, even if I was going to day trade copper, I'd be looking for day trading opportunities back below here. But if you know, back down here, you can continue squeezing up. You know, you got like almost a 5% push on copper back up into that weekly liquidity level. What's that? Yeah, like it's like 5% in a day, which is just nuts. 5% in a day on copper is huge, 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 huge. But yeah, pull back and very likely push higher. You got 8 minutes till close, guys. I'm going to call it here. I know I'm not going to get traded here in London. There's nothing worth watching here at all. So I'm literally just sat here watching it for the sake of that. I could be doing anything other than sitting here watching gold. So you guys on Zoom, we'll let price play out and we'll see what we get closer. For the rest of the day, we already called the sells in Asia and now we're just chilling. So we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Just leave London alone. I have no desire to try and trade it. We've already got our sells. So yeah, I want to go take Sammy for a walk and do anything other than watching gold. So Zoom, guys, I'll see you guys later on, update in Discord, and talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. Bye. All right, YouTube fam. I'm going to keep it short and sweet there. I've already had my gold trade today. We called the shorts here in Asia, and for now, gold is just balancing of support, balancing of resistance, just in the middle of no man's land. So I don't want to make you guys sit here and watch it for the sake of it. Trading is all about trading for the freedom. You want to be a trader for the freedom, so be able to take that step back from the charts. So for me, I could sit here and watch gold and ramble on for 2 hours, or I could go walk Sammy on the beach and come back from maybe pre-New York and see if I get some then. But to be honest, I'm pretty happy with my day. And gold's already had a massive push today. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. We'll keep it short and sweet today. I'll be back tomorrow for the Asian session. So drop a little like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys then. Trade safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.